What's up, everyone? What is going on? I hope you all are doing extremely well. I wanted to share with you guys a little bit what is going on with Cardano right now. All right, so we're seeing a very strong week with Cardano. We're going to take a brief glimpse into the chart, show you guys how ADA has been doing over the past week or so, but I want to talk about a basic price analysis with Cardano. There was a very interesting point that was brought up in a recent article, so I want to share that with you all. But first, I do want to preface this video by saying this is not financial advice. Please do your own research with all things crypto, all things financial, and I just want to get down into it. But first, hit that like button, smash it if you will, and subscribe to the channel. Would really appreciate you guys all joining Not Your Father's Capital, and let's get down into it, guys. All right, so Cardano basically up almost 6% on the day. Very strong week. If we zoom out, we look at the weekly chart, you can see Cardano getting above that 40 cents plateau and kind of still getting further. All right, this is a very nice trek into the green, and this chart looks very, very healthy, right? So this is the 1 month chart, and it is just a solid leg up since we hit the lows of the 20s, right? And this is something where I talk about Cardano pretty much ad nauseum when we talk about basically crypto being on clearance. Cardano at one point was my largest holding, and using effective strategies like dollar cost averaging, so on and so forth, would allow me to basically recover some of the losses, because I have not sold any of that since the all-time highs back above $3. So that is basically how I have been working Cardano, and just at 20 cents down here, guys, this was just a joke in my personal opinion. So if you all are familiar with the evolution on their roadmap and what they're building, it's something that is not quite far behind. But this is the Cardano price analysis as we rally above 44 cents, because whales are noticing, not just retail investors and institutional money. A lot of people are betting on Hoskinson and his team to get back into the game, right? So basically, the bulls are accumulating, breaking through the 44 cents barrier. And, I think 50 cents is really that nice psychological level where I think you really start, if we get past that, I think you'd really start noticing some of the sentiment across not just the investor side of things, but even the people not even in ADA, right? I think the crypto world at large would take notice and kind of give some more credit back to Cardano, and just because of how much they are outpacing other cryptos in this bear market, right? Because a lot of times it does nothing to do with the projects, with what's actually going on with the crypto, and we still could be weighed down by extracurricular factors and these macroeconomic factors, if you will, that we are seeing currently with the Fed, inflation, so on and so forth. And what we are seeing further is this basically resistance, but the bulls are accumulating. And the TA surrounding Cardano right now is suggesting this strong bullish trend above that 45 cents line. And the chart, I can't say anything better in a more positive manner. And the chart just looks simply healthy. It looks very strong. And when the bulls start accumulating, the stuff happens, right? And then all of a sudden it's just going to pop, and then people are going to jump on the backs of it, just and it's just how crypto works, right? So sometimes that is short-lived, sometimes it lasts, and sometimes you can see another leg up from there. But that's just all the nice side. The nice thing about volatility with crypto is you just really don't know. So you have to stay vigilant with your trading and kind of take profits respectively when you can. But Cardano is looking very, very bullish, and this is also suggested by the RSI value sitting at that 71, basically, which suggests ultimately that Cardano could still continue upwards. So Cardano, the RSI looks good. The metrics surrounding the chart look very good. It is just bullish activity going on with Cardano, and you can just see very nice, strong upwards trend into the green. And this may all change in basically a drop, in a bucket, and then this is all for nothing. But Cardano is what is basically the talk from a lot of people within crypto, because I think there's a lot of people and a lot of players just catching on to what they are actually building because of the low and slow approach, and just taking that steady approach to building on their roadmap. And I think that's what Hoskinson wants. And I think that's kind of why whenever they are challenged, they always come and basically to answer the call and back up basically what they're saying with results, actual results, right? So 2023 is going to be interesting as it relates to regulation and what we have coming down on that. But I think Cardano has positioned themselves really, really in a good spot to see what we can do once we get further along their roadmap. So that's what I got for you guys. I'm interested to see if Cardano can hit 50 cents. I hope you guys are all are as well. But stay tuned to Not Your Father's Capital for more crypto content and updates along the way. Hit that subscribe button on your way out. And I thank you guys once again for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.